Chuck, you never guess your daddy's a fire chief.
You never guess your daddy's a minister with red boots.
My daddy hates me wearing these boots.
And you love that, don't you? Huh?
What are you gonna do when I go away to college?
Why do you want to do that, honey?
Just 'cause. Cut out for more in this small town.
Small town as they come. Mwah. Mwah.
A chicken race with tractors? Well, how hard could it be, right?
It's like a car, it's easy. Just like driving a sports car. Nothing could be simpler.
Oh, hell, Lynn, just remember to stay calm.
Calm. Calm, he says. I've never driven a tractor before.
It's easy. Look, this is your clutch. There's
You got your
gas,
clutch down here,
your brake.
your gas and your
You
brake.
start off, just shift it in
You
the
start
high.
off, you wanna
Don't
shift
worry
it in
about
the
your
high.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't
Just
worry
put it in the
about that.
third. Once you
Stick
get
it in the
going,
third. Once you
slam
get
it in
going,
the fourth.
put it in the
okay?
fourth.
That's your emergency brake. These operate your buckets.
Don't mess
Your
with the
harvester.
buckets.
I'll bet he's scared shitless. He turns out in 10 seconds. Watch.
Whoa! Hey, Chuck, you sure you're up to this?
Well, whose side are you on anyway, honey?
Yeah, a lot to smoke.
Tell me I had enough to smoke.
Chuck, I didn't say you had enough to smoke. I said you had a lot to smoke.
Well, don't tell me that either. You should go tell Dogface we're ready to go. Yeah, all right, let's do it.
Come on, man. This race is already won.
Ren, just remember he's chicken shit. Just hang in there. You're gonna be great.
Just hope to God he pulls out.
Yeah, because then I want to split his face open.
Oh, cool it,
Don't forget the
Carson.
clutch.
Give him hell, Ren.
Get him, Ren. Come on, Ren. We're with you.
How did I get myself into this? Hey, Woody. Woody, come here. Listen, has anybody ever died doing this?
Just once.
Hey, Ren! Hey, sport! When this hat flies in the air, you better have your button gear.
Get her.
I got my fingers crossed, buddy.
Come on, don't
Where's the streetwise?
me! Oh.
Get out of there!